We don't do those things which we don't want the child to be doing, obviously, like littering around, destroying the environment in any terms. We understand it is not nice, and by we ourselves making a conscious effort of not just throwing a smallest of wrapper also on the road or something, when we don't do it, our child sees it and takes up the same thing. We would just get a small sapling and take care of it and grow it up, water it daily, take care of it and all these things.
My son, he has a small plant that was gifted to him by somebody, by a friend, and he's taking care of that plant like his own baby, and more than me he's taking care of that plant. So morning and evening, before leaving for school and after in the evening, before he goes for play, he watered the plant, and he really takes care of it.
One thing that I myself don't like is unnecessarily switching on the lights and wasting water. And then keep your surroundings clean. So if there's something that she is in now madly in this habit of, if she will find something on the floor, she would pick that up and put in the garbage.
My child is quite small and she's just 2.5. So I'm starting it from the home only. Like when she eats some candy or something, and if she throws the paper of that, I ask her to go and throw that in the garbage can. So she's learning from that. I have plants at home. I ask her to water the plants with me. So she's doing that along with me.
Suppose he's going to park, so do not, as you said, that do not play, take out the flowers, and do not destroy any of the properties which are there. So
if I ever see her plucking a flower or a leaf, so then I tell her that don't do that, because the flower will start crying. If I pull your hair, so it's going to hurt you. So then that's got into her head that if the flower will start crying, like if mama's going to pull my hair, so it's going to hurt.